Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below, and remember, this is based on my personal experience using the platform. In today's video, we're exploring Zions Bank, found online at zionsbank.com. While the website's clean design and intuitive navigation make it easy to find information, let's dive deeper into the details and see what they offer. From personal banking solutions like checking and savings accounts to more complex financial tools like loans and investment options, Zions Bank presents a comprehensive suite of services. One key aspect worth investigating is their range of account options. Do they offer high-yield savings accounts? What are the fees associated with checking? These are important questions to consider when choosing a financial institution. Beyond everyday banking, Zions Bank also provides resources for businesses, including lending solutions, merchant services, and treasury management. Exploring these options can be valuable for entrepreneurs and established companies alike. Additionally, Zions Bank appears to offer wealth management services, which could be of interest to those looking to grow and protect their assets. It's important to examine their investment philosophy, fee structure, and available resources. Security is paramount when it comes to online banking, so it's crucial to look into Zions Bank's security measures and protocols. How do they protect customer data? What steps do they take to prevent fraud? These are critical questions to ask. Finally, customer service plays a significant role in the overall banking experience. It's worthwhile to research Zions Bank's customer support options, including availability, response times, and communication channels. While their website offers a wealth of information, having accessible and responsive customer support can make a significant difference. Remember to conduct thorough research and compare Zions Bank with other institutions to find the best fit for your financial needs. Don't hesitate to explore their website, zionsbank.com, and gather more information.